morning students, today we will read about the topic spherical mirrors from the chapter light reflection and reflection. As you can see this circle, so this circle shows us the spherical mirror. So this circle, from this circle we can show the concave mirror and convex mirror. As like you can take this part you can take as concave mirror and this part we can take as convex mirror. So when the outer part is polished and inner part is reflecting, that mirror is known as a concave mirror. So we can say concave mirror is the part of a spherical mirror. So from here you can see this is the center. So this center is denoted by the word C. So this you can say, and after expanding this line, this point is cutting the mirror at point P, and this is known as pole. So as this is a circle, so the distance between C and P is known as radius of curvature, and this C is known as center of curvature. But you can see from this mirror, only this part is reflecting. Like we can say this is part M and this is part N. So what M and N is called? M and is called the aperture. So what is aperture? The part of the mirror that is reflecting, the part of the sphere that is reflecting, that is known as aperture. Here it is M N. Okay. So here, if we can divide C and P into two equal parts, let it be denoted by the word capital F. So capital F is known as focus. Capital F is known as focus. So as C and P is known as radius of curvature. So what we call the difference between focus and the pole, that is known as focal length. So this distance is known as focal length. So we can say FP is known as focal length. So now if we need to draw the relation between this radius R and this focal length F. So the relation between R and F, we can say CP is equal to R and FP is equal to small f. So how we can form this circle? We can say what is the relation? This is F and this is F. If we double the F, then that is equal to R. So we can say R is equal to 2F or F is equal to R by 2. So similarly these notations we can say in case of convex also. But in case of convex, this part is polished and this outer part is reflecting. Okay, so we can say in concave mirror inner part is reflecting and in convex outer part is reflecting. All the terms are similar as in case of concave mirror. So this is about the spherical mirrors. Thank you.